Well, day 3 is coming to a close of fighting Meta for our Instagram account back. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty lost. Um, Trying to build a story and a community, and I think we were accomplishing that through our Instagram platform until it was suddenly ripped away from us. And I don't know what to do. I gotta be honest. I really don't know what to do. It seems like we're just in a black hole. Yeah, I don't know what people want to see. I don't know what to post. Most of our TikTok is bots. So, yeah. Wow, what a time to be an entrepreneur.